In this video, I will show you how to reset your Sony TV remote control and fix any issue like the remote control not working, some buttons on the remote control are not pressing properly, or situations where the remote control is just so slow and laggy to control the TV. I'll be showing you two solutions to reset your Sony TV remote control and fix any of these problems with your remote control. Now for the first method, basically what you want to do is to go ahead and pull back the battery pack on your Sony TV remote control, just like so. And then go ahead and remove the batteries from the remote control. Now what you just want to do is to come over to your remote control, then go ahead and press and hold the power button on your Sony TV remote for about 5 seconds. Now mind you, it doesn't matter the Sony TV remote you're using, whether it's the Sony Google TV remote, Sony Android TV, or the old Sony TV remote. Just press and hold the power button for about 5 seconds, and what this will do is that if there is any power surge that is causing your remote control to not work properly, this will drain the remote control of that power surge and make your remote control to start working properly again. After the 5 seconds, you can go ahead and put back your batteries on the remote control. Make sure they are properly placed, and you also want to make sure that your batteries are actually good enough. Now once that is done, go ahead and close back the battery pack. And this time, before you proceed to control your Sony TV with your remote control, you want to go ahead and unplug the TV from the wall socket, wait for about 30 seconds, and then go ahead and plug it back to the wall socket. This is also a very good way to restart your Sony TV. So once this is done, you can now proceed to try turning on or controlling your Sony TV without any issue. If the first solution does not work out for you, another thing you can actually do to reset your Sony TV remote and fix any issue with the remote control not working is to simply go over to the back of the remote control once again. Go ahead and pull back this battery pack and then remove your batteries once again. This time around, what you want to do is to just go ahead and continuously press on all of the buttons on your Sony TV remote control. Now what this will do is that if the problem of your Sony TV remote control is actually the too much of dust or water that has stopped some buttons on the remote control from working, this will most likely remove the dust and might help you fix your Sony TV remote control that is not working. And after the 30 seconds, go back to the back of your Sony TV remote control once again. Go ahead and put your batteries. Always make sure that your batteries are actually good enough. And once that is done, go ahead and close back the battery pack. And this time, trust me, if you try controlling your Sony TV with your remote control, it will work without any issue. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.